No sound on your laptop or PC? Don't worry, let's fix it in under 3 minutes. Hi, welcome to Quick Fix Tech. Follow these simple steps to solve your sound problem quickly. Step 1. First click on the sound icon in the bottom right corner. Make sure the volume is not muted and is set to a proper level. Step 2. Right click on the sound icon and click Open Sound Settings. Under Output, make sure the correct device is selected like speakers or headphones. Sometimes the wrong device causes no sound. Step 3. Run Troubleshooter. Scroll down and click Troubleshoot. Windows will automatically detect and fix the problem. Step 4. Restart audio services. Press Windows plus R and type Services MSC. Find Windows Audio, right click, and click Restart. This refreshes your sound system.
Step 5. Update audio driver. Right click on Start and open Device Manager. Expand sound, video, and game controllers. Right click your audio device and click Update driver. That's it. Your sound should be working now. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe to Quick Fix Tech for more quick fixes.